Are you struggling with defining roles and responsibilities in your project team? Hi, I'm Andrew from PM Aspirant, and today we're going to clear up that confusion by diving into a very useful tool in project management, the RACI Chart. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more project management tips and strategies. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a RACI chart? Well, RACI is an acronym that stands for Responsible, Accountable, Consulted, and Informed. It's a responsibility assignment matrix that helps map out tasks, deliverables, or decision points against the roles within your project. In other words, it helps clarify who's doing what to keep the project moving smoothly. Let me break it down further. Responsible. This is the person who does the work. Every task must have someone responsible for it. Accountable. This is the person who ensures the task gets done. There's only one person accountable for each task to avoid confusion. Consulted. These are the people whose opinions are sought, usually subject matter experts or key stakeholders. Informed. These are the people who need to be kept in the loop about progress or decisions, but they're not directly involved in the work. So, why is the RACI chart so important? Its primary purpose is to eliminate confusion over roles and responsibilities, ensuring clear communication and accountability. Especially in large or cross-functional teams, the RACI chart prevents overlap in roles and makes sure nothing falls through the cracks. Now, you might be wondering, when should I use a RACI chart? It's typically used during the planned resource management process, and it's especially helpful in complex or matrix organizations where multiple roles are involved in various tasks. It also comes in handy during project execution when you need to clarify responsibilities for specific activities. Here's how you create one in just 4 steps. 1. List the tasks. Start by listing all the tasks or deliverables along the left-hand side of the chart. 2. Identify the roles. Across the top, list all the roles or team members. 3. Assign RAC or I. For each task, assign one of the RACI letters to each role. 4. Review the chart. Finally, ensure that every task has one accountable person and at least one responsible person. Make sure there are no missing responsibilities or role overlaps. Let's go through a quick example of a RACI chart. Imagine you're managing a project with 2 major tasks. Task 1. Develop new homepage. Task 2. Launch marketing campaign. Here's how the roles might be assigned using the RACI model. For develop new homepage, the web designer is responsible, the project manager is accountable, the marketing team is consulted, and the CEO stakeholders are informed. For launch marketing campaign, the marketing team is responsible, the project manager is accountable, the CEO stakeholders are consulted, and the web designer is informed. Here are some best practices to keep in mind when using a RACI chart. To avoid confusion, only one person should be accountable for each task. Ensure every task has someone responsible for executing it. Avoid assigning the same person as both responsible and accountable for the same task. Too many people being consulted can delay decisions, so keep this balanced. While you want enough detail to clarify responsibilities, avoid making the chart overly complex. As a project manager, you'll typically lead the development of the RACI chart. It's your job to ensure that it aligns with the project's scope and resources, and to communicate it clearly to the team. Also, you'll need to monitor the project to ensure everyone sticks to their assigned roles and adjust as necessary. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using a RACI chart. Clarifies roles. It reduces ambiguity about who's responsible for what, which leads to better team coordination. Enhances accountability. With clear accountability, you can ensure that someone owns each task. Improves communication. It explicitly defines who needs to be consulted or informed, streamlining communication within the team. Prevents conflicts. By clearly defining roles, the RACI chart helps avoid overlaps and potential conflicts in decision-making. While the RACI chart is a powerful tool, there are some pitfalls you'll want to avoid. Too many accountables. Having more than one accountable person for a task can create confusion and conflicts. Overloading a single role. Be careful not to assign too many tasks to one individual, which can lead to bottlenecks. Overcomplicating the chart. Keep it straightforward. A complex chart is harder to maintain and can cause more confusion than clarity. Not updating the chart. A RACI chart is only useful if it's up to date. Make sure to revise it as the project evolves. To wrap things up, the RACI chart is an essential tool for ensuring clarity in roles and responsibilities in any project. It helps you avoid confusion, enhance accountability, and improve communication within the team. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to PM Aspirant for more project management tips and strategies. Your like and subscribe will motivate us to make more quality project management videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.